Hey everybody, this is Vinnie with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Like every week, my goal's been to bring you a very useful tool or a very useful video that showcases one of our tools. We've been doing this for the last 16 years. I've got over 55 tools that we've built during this time that have helped a lot of you out there. We actually have about 7,400 happy customers that a lot of them use our tools on a day-to-day basis to perform certain tasks, to automate certain processes, to remove human error, and just hopefully make your life just a little bit better. Every week I get a few emails from you. Thank you for those emails. Keep them coming. They're great fuel to help me create more tools, create more videos. So today's tool is a very unique tool. To my knowledge, we're the only ones that have been able to do this in Excel, which is a Google Maps Store Locator in Excel. What the tool does, the use case for that is matching a list of customers with a list of store or service providers. Let me kind of show you exactly how this thing works. A little bit of a disclaimer before I go into the tool. All my tools are built in Excel, so as such there is nothing to install. You do need to have Excel in your system, a desktop version of Excel installed. In addition, we also use Google Maps API to generate a lot of the driving distances and whatnot, a lot of geocoding that goes into making those calculations. So you'll need that. There is a video in here on how to get your Google Maps API key. It's extremely easy. It takes 5 minutes. Feel free to watch this video when you're done with this, but we'll help you set that up in no time. So the purpose of this tool, again, kind of going back, is to match a list of customers. In this case, I've got about 5 customers. I can have as many as I need, 500, 5,000, to match them based on location with a list of my stores. And again, I've got about 5 stores here, 5 customers. You can have as many stores as needed and as many customers as needed. The tool will match those based on location. So what we're trying to do is trying to find the closest store that will be able to service each one of these clients based strictly solely on location. In order to do that, I will need a customer list. We have a customer name and a customer address. Customer name is not necessary or it's not required, but it's nice to kind of know which customer belongs to that address. Same thing with the stores. We have a store address and a store name. Obviously, the store name would help to do that, but it's not required to complete this task. Actually, I don't need this. The ones in blue, the tool will automatically generate for us. So really should be as simple as clicking the calculate button. The tool will automatically go and match each one of these customers to the stores and will tell us which store is the closest. So if I have customer 1, looks like the closest store will be store A in Elizabeth City, which is 2.8 miles away in a straight line, 3.6 miles driving, and it'll take the client or the contractor 8 minutes to get there. So it's pretty close. Customer 2, we've got store B, etc. Customer 4, store B. Customer 5, store B. Customer 3, store C. And the tool will also give us the driving distance and the straight line distance to that store, from that store to that customer. So it really should be as simple as that. Again, you can maintain your database of stores in here. Every time you get new customer lists, you plug them in, paste them into the tool, click calculate, and the tool will just generate those results for you in a jiffy. It really should be as simple as that. One more thing I want to let you know before I go about what makes Excel Distance Calculators tools in my specific service unique and different than the others. One of the things that I do is if you've got any questions, by all means feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call. I do answer the phone. Probably one of the biggest surprises that I get in a lot of my clients when they call is that I cannot believe you actually picked up the phone. No answering service, no call back. Let's have a conversation if you've got any questions, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions. Here's my phone number. Here's my email address. Let me know if you've got any questions, or if there is anything else that you need, any other tool that you feel will make your life just a little bit better. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to download the tool on the link on the description. And thanks again. Until next time.